how you can use workflows using Vira and HubSpot. So on your HubSpot dashboard, click on automation, then go to workflows. You can either create a flow or choose or pick an existing workflow. I'm going to pick an existing workflow. So with Vira, we provide certain actions and triggers to either enroll your contact or to create a task or deal or ticket all within your HubSpot account. So if we click on enrollment triggers, we have certain triggers that you can use. For example, you want someone to receive a WhatsApp message after they fill out a form. So from here you can basically choose or pick any form, and after they fill that form, they can receive or will receive a WhatsApp message. So this is how you can set the enrollment trigger. So the contact has filled out a form, the WhatsApp consent given is yes, and then you can send them a WhatsApp text message, so on and so forth. Now in order to add the WhatsApp action into the workflow, click on the plus icon, navigate to Vira, WhatsApp, and here you will be asked whether you want to send a WhatsApp text message or a media button message. Click on it and fill all the details and then click on save. And that is how you can add the WhatsApp action into a workflow.